Here's how to convert MKV to MP4 video. I created an app called ConvertSave, and it's super simple. Just drag whatever video files you want into ConvertSave, go to your output. In this case, we're going to select MP4, and we're going to hit convert, and it saves right next to wherever that original file came from. You can go to convertsave.com to find it, or you can just check out the link in the description or the pinned comment down there. So this is software for the desktop, right? For offline use on Mac and Windows. It's an image, video, and audio converter, and it works with a bunch of tools in the background and just gives you one place that you can visually drag, drop, convert, save. And there's also these advanced tools in here that you can look at what the conversion is, look at the tool being used, and also what the default conversion commands are, and then enter in your own custom conversion commands. Or if you don't know what I'm talking about, just go to the options builder, because there's a bunch of different options you can add to your conversions. Even if you're just going from this one file type to the same file type, right? You could take a video and you could reduce its frame rate or its resolution, and not necessarily save it as a new file type, but just save it as the same video as well and add these different commands. However, you can also add these to any conversion you want and save them, and it applies these custom flags or custom commands. All of them are generated right here. You'll be able to see that right down here to your custom command, and that's going to be the primary thing that's used for this conversion type. And you can always clear and go back to defaults if you want to, but that's a lot of power. So if it's images, you've got resizing options, cropping, adding effects, all kinds of stuff in those custom commands. But without adding those, you're actually just converting from one file type to another with what we've identified, since I've been going through these one at a time, as the best conversion process for each one to get like the best quality or identical one-to-one conversion quality out the other end as your output. And so convert save, we wanted to be simple, just drag, drop, convert, save. I say I work on this with my brother. He's the software developer. I work on the design and obviously doing videos and stuff. And yeah, this is something I use. We've both found it as a great utility to have, and I hope you do too. And so that's it. Thanks for the support, you guys. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one.